Good afternoon, Nepal! Good afternoon, Nepal talaga, oy. We are here again in Bella Mansion. Diba? Sophia is there. Now, we are here to Bella, visit, and then, of course, we'll pick up some vegetables. Matamis, bunso? Saan tayo puldaan ito? Now, I'm here to make it the vegetables of Bella. See? This is the Bella land. Oh my
What
God.
is this? All plant?
There's Makay. Makay is corn. Dal.
This is dal? How become dal?
Dalmud.
No mustard also this one.
See? Ang laki ng ano ni Bella. Ang tawag? Ang laki ng ano nila. Lupain. Sophia, don't play!
Masoor dal?
Really? I cannot.
Why no seed then? Huh? Why no seed?
Coming, it's still baby. It's still young.
Yeah, it's all too much. Oh, maybe they who plant this one?
They plant this stand.
Really?
Who plant?
There. See the ama corn. Oh my God, the ama corn is still ano bonsai. Very small. Already harvest the. Ay. Oh my God, papaya of Bella. Oh. She already harvest all. See, she has a onion. Onion ba to? Onion. Ano this one?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Ay, bilat. Mango. Mango ni Bella. Ang cute, oy. Oh my God, ang dami. Oh my God, yung broccoli.
Wala, yung maliit yan.
Paborito ni Sofia. Hala.
Malunggay, di ba?
Oh, malunggay.
Also them na malunggay. See what happened?
See?
Rami, see, why did
Cabbage. And then, all of the papaya. Ako na yung parang hinog, oh. Balbangaan. Oh, papaya ni Bella. Mag-harvest na naman.
May tanim ako na bago, oh, na parang
Ano yan?
papaya ay banana.
Banana din? Pareho sa ano? Not that time we give to Bella, not ano, it's already die.
Here, guys, because nobody.
See the?
May been plant na guwapa.
Now it's growing all the leaves, the malunggay. Moringa. Ay, I'm sorry.
What's that?
Ano yan? Ay, sinapa yun. Akala ko takip lang yan dyan. Sorry naman. I thought that is already, ano, that's amahang pala.
See, they said you should take the picture. You're taking very small broccoli.
That's why I'm going there. See?
That's like only
Oh my God.
That one she showed that one very.
See here? Oh my God. Ang sarap talaga kapag free. Oh, di ba? And then, oh, kamatis, tomato. Cherry tomato. See, ang laki lang. Kapag may tanim, may aanihin. May kakainin. Ako may kakainin kasi humihingi na naman ako. Oh, ang pulubi, mag-harvest na naman kami. Ayun si madam, oh, yung madam ko. Ano yan?
Wala na, tinanggal ko na ito already. So this for the chicken.
Ang dami, no? Ang daming tanim ni ano.
I will give my chicken.
Si Lok, Sophia, and Nicole, and Bunso is there. They are playing. La, oh my gosh. It's very nice talaga if you have big land. Because you can...
I'm thinking
What you're thinking, sir?
for the big land.
Okay. You think, sir. You think. Think, sir. Oh, si madam. Oh, busy ang aking madam. You look at also me because I want also to harvest. Uy, ang ganda nito. Ito okay na to.
Cauliflower.
Ang laki.
Masarap to. Pansi ko isa salad eh.
Ang laki, oh guys. Ang laki, guys. Oh, may ulam na naman si Joy. Si Inday, oh, di ba? Free na free eh. Thank you, Bella. O, diba? Sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap ng bulaklak. O, diba? Kaya dito sa Nepal, nabubuhay ka